Hi, I'm Finn Wycherley, a regular speaker on the BBC on all things social media and digital marketing with online business. As an accredited trainer with Facebook, Instagram, and all the other social media and digital marketing channels, I work with small to medium sized businesses and charities to help them make the most of all the incredible opportunities you can find online. And as a single mom of five children, I know exactly what it takes to grow from rags to riches with tiny amounts of time, tiny amounts of skill, and at ridiculously small levels of budget, apart from the earnest desire to build online paying communities using online tools. Oh, and Barack Obama follows me on Twitter. Are you online at the moment? Well, if so, there are huge changes that have been happening in the last 6 months that have been built to help businesses like yours make more sales online with the new Facebook and Instagram shops. And if you snooze, you will literally lose out. This is an absolute game changer for online businesses that are product based or retail. Did you know that there are now 2.7 billion people shopping online thanks to the big changes in the universe? Are you ready to start learning how to help them find your online store and make them make more purchases? Well, stay tuned to find out. Once you watch this video, you will be able to understand what a Facebook and Instagram shop is, why you should definitely be thinking about setting one up, whether you qualify for having a shop, how to set one up, and how to customize your shop. And since it's such a big topic, we're breaking it down into 3 parts so you can get all the learnings you need to build your business to even higher heights. As I said, we're going to be breaking it up into 3 sections so you can get the most of all the training. But I just want to set the scene for you before we get started, because from an SME point of view, a small to medium sized business or enterprise point of view, the corona pandemic could not have been worse for so many reasons and for so many businesses, but fortunately, not for all. While some were forced to shut up shop indefinitely, many have experienced their biggest boom time ever. The pivot became the rallying cry for a whole slew of businesses, charities, and social enterprises that dramatically doubled down on digital and applied those incredible problem solving skills most loved by entrepreneurs and their teams across the globe. From a digital perspective, many initiatives that would have taken years to implement were suddenly brought dramatically forward and rolled out at dizzying speeds to plug the communications, marketing, and business gaps laid bare by the troubling times. According to new data from IBM's Retail Index, the pandemic has accelerated the shift away from physical stores to digital shopping by roughly 5 years. The social media platforms themselves introduced tons of initiatives to help businesses accelerate their digital transformation at a time when cost per click ad spend was cheaper than ever before. The game changers among them have been Facebook and Instagram page shops, which makes it possible for even the smallest business to reach that huge and growing 2.7 billion online shopping audience with highly targeted messages. The shop experience features curated collections, products, and recent posts from businesses of all sizes with more direct purchasing opportunities. So that means that people can now purchase directly from Facebook without ever leaving the platform. Although at the moment it's only available in America, everybody else still has to go to the website. However, the Facebook shop experience is now dramatically different for everybody. People can now see personalized content from brands within the news feed and through in product notifications or small business favorites In other words, the customer sales experience with brands using the shop environment on mobile is outstanding compared to those without. The rule of law in digital is that if there are too many clicks on the journey to a purchase, you increase the risk of your customers simply clicking off. While physical shop purchases have sunk to a record breaking low, digital purchases have risen by 20%, with 76 million US shoppers spending $23.3 billion buying products through social networks. However, with an increasing number of business pages being shut down for the smallest of infractions, and even Facebook closing all news media outlets in Australia, businesses need to ensure they have a resilient and smart digital strategy that doesn't leave their business at risk by putting all their digital assets in one basket. All right, so that's a little bit of intro. Now the takeaways. What we're going to learn today is, why do you need a Facebook or Instagram shop? What is a Facebook or Instagram shop? What is the difference between the companies that are using the shops or not? And how to set one up in Commerce Manager. And you can also make sure that you learn who can use the shop and who can purchase directly from the shop as well. Stay tuned.
All right, give me 200 seconds to tell you why you should be setting up your Facebook shop right now. First of all, find out if you can qualify. Not everybody qualifies right now. It's mainly product-based businesses. Also, if you want to do it, it's because you're going to be able to sell your products easier, faster, and cheaper. Let's find out what Bobbi Brown is doing. Here's an example of what's going on in their newsfeed. You can click through from that picture into the product, and you can have a look within the Facebook shop all about the product. You can choose different categories within the product. You can have a look down, look through the details, find out more about the description, and satisfy yourself that this is the kind of product you're interested in. And then when you decide you're ready to purchase, all you have to do is check out on the website, and it takes you straight through to the Bobbi Brown website. Boom! Straight to that product where you can put it in the cart and add to bag instantly without any faff or fuffs whatsoever. Now, let's find out what happens if you're on Facebook and you're actually kind of buying something when they don't have a Facebook shop. Let's look at Gap. Look, here's Gap with that beautiful grey jumper that I'm desperate to buy. And I want to be able to put my finger on it and be able to purchase straight away. But oh no, I'm getting all kinds of stuck. I'm clicking on the We Are the Twin set. I'm clicking on the X. I'm clicking on all over the picture. It's not really happening for me, for goodness sake. Right, how do I click out of here? Right, okay, so they want me to shop now. I'm going to shop now. Fine, let's go to the website. Let's find out. Oh no, we're now on the home page. Now I'm going to spend half an hour looking for that goddamn grey jumper. Are you seriously? Where am I supposed to go and find that grey jumper? Which category is it? Oh my God, I'm getting lost now. So you see what I mean? This is the difference between using a Facebook shop and not. You're going to gain a competitive advantage, especially if you set it up now before so many other businesses have set them up. So get ready with your Facebook shop and get set up now. We're here to help if you've got...
All right, so I hope that was useful for you. It's just a little sneak peek into what we're going to be covering in more detail in the next video that we're going to be launching. So I want to ask you a couple of questions. Have you set up your Facebook or Instagram shop yet? Are you thinking about it? Well, just hold on a minute, because when you get to set it up, if you get it wrong, you might end up in Facebook jail. Stand by for video number 2 in the series, and we're going to start diving into the details. Sign up for your free cheat sheet on getting started with Facebook shops, and join me in the Facebook group called Get Real Online. And if you'd like to discuss how your business can use Facebook and Instagram better, let's talk. Details below. In the next video, as I said, we're going to be talking about part 2 of the Facebook and Instagram shops. So remember to like, comment, share, and ring the bell. See you shortly.